Hello everybody, welcome to Coastal Crafts.
Hello and welcome to Coastal Crafts. So I've got a quick Carboot sale haul for you today. Picked up some more Crafty bargains because I just couldn't resist going back after last week. And yeah, let's have a look and see what I picked up. So first of all, I'll show you the stamps. I thought these ones were really cute, Inkalicious. So they're clear polymer stamps and they look like a really decent photo polymer. And they were £1.20, and I haven't decided whether or not I'm going to gift these, which is what I had in my head when I bought them. It's like a Happy Mail gift. I thought would be a nice thing to receive, but then now I'm like, oh, I really like them, so I may well end up keeping them because they are really gorgeous, and that must be one of their original prices down there at £3.50, but really pretty. I did buy a butterfly last week, so whether I need more butterflies is to be considered, isn't it? So that's that one. And then another stamp set I picked up, which I don't think is in the original packaging. So it says it's a Lily of the Valley set 49, tags Le Jardin. A bit of French there for you. I paid £2.50 for that. No idea what that might have cost. So they were originally obviously going to sell it for £3.50, bought it down to £2.50. That's fine. I would really like the tags, like the dies to go with it would be so much better, but I don't have the dies to go with it, so I'll have to see if I've got any tags that match up with these, or have a look online and see if I can get the dies. But I like them. They're just my sort of style, kind of natural, bits of French and things on there as well. Papillon, however you say that. Dans le Jardin. So yeah, so that's the two stamp sets that I picked up. I picked up some ribbons. It was for £1. So I thought these are quite nice to either to use or to gift. So I do love gorgeous girls, so I couldn't resist picking up the assorted ribbon to sort of match in with the colours of the Gorgeous Girl collection. And some of these cute trims, which you can see, they're velvet, not quite like Rick Rack, but wavy. So got it in the brown, in this nice pink, and in this kind of, I guess, tan sort of colour, maybe Halloweeny possibly. And then I picked up this little paper pad, and I did see this last week and was umming and ahhing over it. Let's take that out. So it says £4.99 originally. That seems quite a lot for a little paper pad, but it is a really cute paper pad. I don't know if I can get that sticker off. So it says Ephemera Papers 1 by Spellbinders from Mixed Media, and they're just really interesting pages. They're only thin paper, but just the designs are really interesting. They're kind of things that you want to cut out and add. I guess if you're doing mixed media, I don't do a lot of that, but they would definitely look really pretty added into things. It would be perfect if you had a junk journal or anything like that. I don't tend to do junk journaling either. Maybe I will. Just very interesting pages and things that I love, like botanical illustrations and vintage images. Let's go through it a bit more quickly. So yeah, this will be interesting to use in different projects. I'm gonna have so much stuff and have to really get using, but that's that one I picked up for £1. Then this one, I don't really know much about this. It's Tim Holtz grunge paper, and I thought, I don't know if I really, I don't even know what I would do with this. You can see they've tried to sell it off for various different prices. I've gone down to £1.50. I guess this is what grunge paper is here. I can feel it. It feels kind of weird. I've never used grunge paper, and I'm not sure it's something that I would necessarily pick up full price, but when it's being sold off, it's got an interesting texture to it. I don't know. I mean, it would definitely be interesting on projects, die cutting it and stuff like that, adding it on. They show on here that you can ink it. It doesn't want to zoom in because it's shiny. Add colour with paints and stamp with your ink to create unique cards. It's going to have a bit more dimension. Sew it. Create dimensional embellishments using punches and die cuts. Yeah, I had a feeling it might be mouldable, so I can make some 3D things, like mould them a bit like you do flowers. So we will see. Give it a go. Why not? And then I was quite excited to see a little bit of graphic 45. It's always nice. This was £1 for this little pack here. And inside, get this one, which is the Ladies Diary Tags 2. I really like anything that's sort of old-fashioned ladies in hats and stuff, and that kind of classic vintage fashion. And then it's got a Ladies Diary Tags 1. Probably had the 1 before the 2, you know, but we'll do it this way around. So really nice, those chipboard tags. And then there's a load of letters and numbers from this Ladies Diary collection, and a few little word stickers down the bottom. So perfect millinery and stuff. So that's the kind of thing that I absolutely love. And this sticker sheet is gorgeous as well, from the same collection again. So quite excited to have that. Problem is when you have stuff that you're like, oh, I really love that vintage fashion, then becomes really hard to use, doesn't it? We'll suffer from that, I'm sure. And then lastly, I picked up this one, which I've taken out the wrapping. It was a Do Crafts 12 by 12 paper pack. You can see on here, so one of those papermania ones. I paid £2.50, I think, for this. Madame Peyraud's, not quite sure how you pronounce that. Anyway, I don't remember ever seeing this one when it came out, but it's really interesting designs. I even like the cover sheet. I would totally cut out these squares like that and just use them in projects. But it's again this very sort of mixed media vintage style. It's for my Paris album, which is still ongoing. Yeah, I really like it, and the old insects and things. Interesting. Let me know if you remember this one when it came out. I don't remember. And I like that sort of old adverts and things. So it's kind of interesting, and like definitely can stick some of these bits in my albums. Going to cut bits up. We'd also make nice backgrounds for scrapbooking pages as well. So I will get, I'm not doing a very good job. When it's not a book, you can't really flick it, can you? So it's not as easy. Just giving you an idea in case it's something that you want to look out for. I like that. Lots of eggs from the birds. Interesting. Not sure what that is. It's strange, isn't it? I do like them, kind of sciencey. And then you mixed in some of these just sort of ordinary pattern ones that are always quite good as backgrounds to anything. So yeah, there we go. That's my little bargains I picked up all from the same seller. I also managed to get a load of stuff for the children at school. Toys and books and things, but I won't bore you with those. But I will be back on again soon, I'm sure, with some more hauls and crafty projects. So speak to you soon. Bye.